I don't know uh, the goddess name, however, is holding something with both of her eyes, hands rather, sorry, and people may have actually worship this place as well. I don't know the name of this goddess, however, people may have venerated. You can see the garlands put around the neck of this goddess statue, and you can see the dragon pandal right at the entrance of this shrine room. That's the beauty, you see, mountainous area. The steps I have to climb down carefully, and if you so thank you for